Okay. Hey guys, this is let me think. The wheel change. How's that? Okay.
Okay.
So first we have a selection made. So that one. Just go and take a look at that card. And would you just please hold on to it? We keep it in view. Just like the edge of the river, just to make sure it's still in view. Now all I want you to do.
I saw you over here.
Oh, say stop.
I love you. Will you marry me?
Stop.
Keep it right there. Okay.
Somebody's been a little good to me last.
Aw.
Yeah, quit bordering.
Finn.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. We're still gonna lose it back in the pack. I'm sorry. That was an accident. It really was. But I think I found it again. Nope, that's not it.
I'm taking.
Still not it, right?
No.
How about now?
I think I could pick you up.
Yes?
Now watch. Is it now? No, it's not.
I
No,
talked
put
to
it
you.
on.